Happy Diwali! How are you? I hope you are all fine. Winter is around the corner. If you love healthy, full buds on your winter flowering plants every spring, it's important to learn how to take care of them throughout the cold winter months. Today I will talk about a very special flower which is also beautiful. It is the rose flower. There are several important steps you must take to prepare them for winter that start in early fall. This is the last pruning we are going to do for this plant this year. So if you have the rose flower, it is the perfect time to make it bushy. Never prune when it's the winter season, as it may damage your plant. During pruning, you must remove damaged and dead leaves. It helps your plant to be free from any kind of pest attack. After pruning your rose plant, the most common problem that arrives is the dieback problem. After pruning, you must keep in your mind that you have to use two things to prevent dieback. For this, my mom uses turmeric and some fresh aloe vera. If you don't have aloe vera, you can simply make a paste of turmeric with water. Otherwise, make a paste of turmeric with aloe vera gel. Both turmeric and aloe vera have antimicrobial and antifungal effect. So if you apply it like this in your pruning branch, it will help you prevent the dieback problem. Now I will give some basic information about rose plant care. First, care tip for the rose plant is to provide it with full sunlight, which is around 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Now I will talk about the very important tip of the fertilizer. The rose plant is a heavy feeder and requires a good amount of nutrition during its active growing phase. And rose plant is an acid-loving plant. So you can use dry citrus peel fertilizer and a balanced fertilizer which contains all the micro and macronutrients. And this best fertilizer is kitchen waste compost. If you have cow dung fertilizer, it is also the best for rose plant. At first, my mom is giving 1 spoon of the citrus peel fertilizer. It helps to maintain pH balance on the soil. Although rose plant is a heavy feeder, as winter is coming, it is almost time for rose plant to go dormant. Dormant means the rose will go into sleeping mode. So before winter season comes, you have to give it a lot of fertilizer and then give it a mulch and stop fertilizing it. Your rose plants needs extra protection on its root from the cold, so you must give it a mulch. And when the soil's upper layer is dried, that time only you must give water to your plant. I hope this video will help you take care of your rose plant. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.